You are looking at GitHub Copilot Chat, but this is not a paid AI model. This is completely free NVIDIA AI model running through VS Code. No paid API key, no monthly bill, nothing. Let me show you how you can set this up. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It really helps. First thing, open VS Code, go to the extensions, search for NVIDIA NIM. Here is the extension, install it. Done. That's literally step 1 out of 3. Now, go to your browser and go to build.nvidia.com. I'll provide this link in the description below. Sign in here or create a new account. Go to API keys, generate API key. Never share your API keys with anyone. Copy the API key. Go to VS Code, open the GitHub Copilot Chat window, click on this auto button, then settings, click on add models and you should see NVIDIA NIM option. Click on it, press enter. Here paste the API key and press enter. Now you will start seeing all the NVIDIA NIM free endpoint models here. Close this window. Now we will select Minimax M2.7, which is a free model provided by NVIDIA NIM. Just search for Minimax M2.7 and you will start seeing the model. Just click on it. I'll write hi just to see if it is working or not. Okay, so it is working. So I can use this model in agent mode or plan mode or ask mode. That's it and you are all set. NVIDIA NIM provides around 41 free endpoint models. You can choose between these models according to your use case. I usually use Minimax M2.7. Now this is a really important part. Since these free models are hosted on free endpoints, there are millions of people trying to access these models. So if you are also accessing these models from any harness, the response might be slow and it is unpredictable. So if you don't like to wait, then use these models just for planning, and for building, use paid models. But if you don't want to pay money and use these free models, then you will have to wait. If this method saves you money, smash that subscribe button. It actually helps. So let's grow in this AI journey together and see you in the next one.